So this is our cursor mode. You can see it's running, the amber light is running cursor, and the previous mode was a sequential mode. So that's a new mode we introduced, and this is a very unique look on the Mustang, and we're gonna be introducing this to the 2018 models too. So I think yeah, I think this is almost world's first, so I think it's really good. I like it. What do you guys think? Hey guys, this is the cursor mode that we just introduced, and look at that, it's a new mode. Can we switch off the running light?
Give me 2 minutes.
Hold on. Is it recording? Oh my god, that looks too good. Maybe switch running light off and put hazard on. Wow, look at that. Oh, my eyes are hurting. Look at that. Fuck yeah. So that's a cursor mode. You can see we don't, every amber just lights up and then the next one lights up. So yeah, it's very good.